Hi there! In this video, we're going to walk you through how to easily submit your quarterly update reports to HMRC using Starling Accounting. Once your Starling account is connected to HMRC, your quarterly update reports will automatically appear when they're due. You can find them in a few different places. Right at the top of your self-assessment dashboard, via the quarterly updates banner, or in your My Tasks list. Tasks due soonest sit right at the top. Future ones are listed further down, and anything you've already completed will be tucked safely away in the Done tab. Just tap on any of these to jump straight into your report. Before you can submit a report, you'll just need to make sure you've reviewed all your transactions for that period. Think of it as a quick check to ensure everything is categorised correctly. Once that's done, and you're within the submission date window, the Submit button will light up and be ready to click. Inside the report, you'll see a clear summary of all the income and expenses that are about to be sent to HMRC, broken down by self-employment or landlord property lines. Best of all, you can drill down into these figures to see exactly which individual transactions make up each total, making it incredibly easy to double-check your numbers. You'll also notice an estimated tax-to-date figure. It's important to know that this is just a helpful budgeting tool, based strictly on the numbers inside your Starling account. If you have other sources of income or deductions outside Starling, this estimate won't know about them yet, and that's completely fine. This figure isn't sent to HMRC as a final tax bill. It's purely there to help you budget and avoid surprises. When you do your final end-of-year self-assessment, you'll have the opportunity to add all your outside income and deductions, and HMRC will calculate your final tax bill then. If you're a landlord and have unclaimed mortgage interest or finance costs brought forward from previous years, you can enter that figure directly into this quarterly report. Don't worry about doing complex maths here. Just type in the brought forward amount and Starling Accounting will handle the background calculations to ensure the right figures are submitted to HMRC. Once you've quickly reviewed your transactions and you're happy with the summary, simply click Submit. And that's it. Your quarterly update is securely filed with HMRC. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.